Yeah, I see Tilray still trying to find the bottom right here. Bollinger Bands are contracting. I've got them getting down into a squeeze. We still have not entered into a TTM squeeze. I'm looking at the TTM squeeze right now. I'm sharing my screen if anyone wants to look at it. And at this point right now, between the yellow bars and the red bars on the underside of the TTM squeeze, it's just letting me know that the volume and momentum are just slowing down. It's not giving me any kind of alley-oop, you know what I'm saying? MACD is kind of going sideways. I've got my EMA ribbon just waterfalling down. Pop study, totally in a deceleration mode. We are below $38, or we just were. Here it goes. Now it's falling again to 37. Oh my, 37. What are we doing? Level 2 is stacking up. It's going to fall. It's going to continue to go. I see it stacking here in the 50s.
580 puts.
All the way down to
February
37.
19, 2021.
Ooh-wee.
BHC. 30 calls. February 12th, 2021. 750 BHC.
Yeah, this is
30 calls.
complete
February
free fall.
12th, 2021. 600 contracts. BK 43 calls. February 19th, 2021. 600 contracts.
Those of you watching the screen, the white dotted line is my VWAP line. And the further away the candles get from VWAP, the farther and harder this is dropping. It just gains momentum. It gains velocity, if you will.
Calls.
And you can see from the TTM
February
squeeze.
19th, 2021. 6 NLY. 8 puts. April 16th, 2021. 2,380 DNN. 2 calls. February 19th, 2021. 824 NNDM. 13 calls. March 19th, 2021. 1,081 contracts.
I will say the TTM squeeze has now gone from yellow bars back to red bars, which is even more deceleration. You're going to want this to get up to the center of TTM and head up into the blue bars for any kind of a turnaround.
February 19th, 2021. 530 contracts.
$5.20 area. It gets down there, that should bounce it for at least temporarily.
Jeez. And look at it go. And here it comes. There goes the TTM. If the red bars get longer and start stair-stepping down further, here comes $36. Here comes even more of a free fall. DMAC was saying he saw 35 as a support. It's just going to continue to go.
So I heard Mortal say it's going to go down to $1.20 and then bounce back up.
I don't.
I said 35.20.
Okay, there you go.
I heard $1.20.
Oh my God! It's committing suicide.
I'm just trying to find the dip.
That's it. That's it. That is unreal how it's falling.
That was an excellent description, Quinn. I appreciate it.
Really, it makes sense. All right, and if you're still watching my EMA ribbon, the more that it waterfalls down.
2 calls. February 12th, 2021. 603 contracts.
The more that the EMA ribbon waterfalls down, and the further each line, each color gets away from each other, the more the momentum and the free fall.
826 contracts.
It's telling you it's picking up more gas as it's going
Yeah.
down. And you can see
Yeah.
from over here in time and sales, we're down in the 36 here, 36.75 range and dropping. Level 2 is just freaking stacked. And I agree. I agree with Mortal there. It's going to drop to 35. Even I even see it going below 35, people. Look how 34s are starting to stack on level 2. This is really starting to take hold. You want to play the put side? Hedge your bet.
I'm gonna post that. I'm gonna post that Mortal Kombat prediction.
There you go,
Bounce off
baby. $1.20.
Oh yeah.
$1.20. Now I will keep my eye on my Bollinger Bands, which are these light
Let me
purple
type in
ones.
just kidding in case anyone's not on voice.
Exactly. Some people take it literally. But yeah, this is how you can watch these things just play out. And look at it. As long as all of this candle action stays below the center of the Bollinger Bands and follows and hugs that lower Bollinger Band, it is completely in a downtrend. And it's going to continue to go boom, a boom, a boom. And it's just going to go down. Watch this play out. If I go back into squeeze it up, look at the waterfall right there. There's my rainbow waterfall. If I just squeeze it down to look at it, if you can't see the put side, you better put on better glasses. But yeah, here comes VWAP. It's getting more to a horizontal line right there. And as the candles slip away, as the candles get further and further away from the VWAP line, the red bars of the TTM squeeze will slowly but surely get longer and longer and longer, pointing that you are in a complete downtrend. This is how the TTM squeeze plays.
July 16th, 2021. 1,761 contracts.
And those of you that don't know, when Hop is running his TTM squeeze, he actually has MACD overlapping TTM squeeze. They will work together.
July 16th, 2021. 1,174 contracts.
But each one gives you different information. If I took this MACD and overlapped it here.
The Queen, the rainbow bands there?
Yeah.
What's the name of that study?
February 12th,
That's a
2021. 500 contracts.
That is a moving average exponential ribbon.
The rainbow band?
Yes, it's called the moving average exponential ribbon.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
SNDL.
And that is not the default colors.
January 21st, 2022. 900 and ET. 8 calls. July 16th, 2021. 652 SNDL. 2 calls. February 12th, 2021. 500 contracts.
Those are not the default colors for the EMA ribbon. They all fall into the like yellow family.
Calls.
Too similar.
July 16th, 2021. 2004 contracts. HP 40 calls. January 21st, 2022. 800 contracts. HP 40 calls. January 21st, 2022. 648 contracts. Pins. 80 calls. May 21st, 2021. 1,250 contracts.
Oh, it's a different HP.
Yeah, I find that the default colors for the ribbon that they give is all too much in the same color family. It's hard to distinguish when the EMA ribbon flips over itself. That gives you the exact moment of trend change. When the EMA ribbon is going sideways, it's just choked. you can see it was here in the TTM squeeze. It coincides when the ribbon is squeezing like that. And when it flips over and the red is on the bottom and the purple is on the top, it's on an uptrend. When the red is on the top and the purple is on the bottom, it's on a downtrend. It couldn't be more simpler for me.
Yeah.
I'm a visual kind of girl.
Yeah, I know you like to modify your colors as
Oh,
well.
yeah.
And it ends up to be a fine product. We can see
Well,
right there.
it actually helps me see. If you open up the moving average exponential ribbon thing, the default one from Thinkorswim, you'll see exactly what I mean. It's so many different shades of yellow, and I just need it to be very distinguishable from my Bollinger Bands, my big old white VWAP line. I need to be able to see everything different
Yeah,
and together.
yeah.
It's still decelerating, still slowing down. It's just tired, people. This one is getting
Pins.
tired. It's winded.
90 calls. February 26th, 2021. 500 contracts.
Wow. And there it goes. My TTM squeeze won't even give it up.
Yeah.
Yep. Down to 36, 50-ish, 60-ish. VWAP coming sideways. Bollinger Bands not giving me anything. I need them Bollinger Bands to gape wide open.
Pins. 90 calls. February 26th, 2021. 501 contracts.
Tick by tick. How about go to the 180 4-hour? I'm going to go to the 4-hour chart, and you can see this is Tlry. Just bleh. MACD pinched and coming downwards, just terrible. The 1-day chart for Tlry also absolutely terrible. And this concludes your lesson for the day. Nope, I take that back. All right, so if we're looking at the TTM squeeze down here, if the red turns to yellow, if the yellow gets shorter and shorter and shorter, like it's trying to do right there and gives it up, if it does that, then that will be another signal of a trend change. That's what we're looking for. The TTM squeeze is trying to let you know which direction and how much momentum and volume
July
is
16th,
pushing it
2021.
in that direction.
959 contracts.
And there you go. Thank you for
Thank you,
attending.
Queen.
Thank you for attending my TTM
Style's not
class.
doing much better, by the way.
There you go.